money going. There's no hiding place for the government anymore. There's no hiding place for corrupt politicians anymore, no matter what their colour are. So we the people are standing up here today, and we the people are going to have great fun today. We're going to walk, we're going to chant, and anybody that wants to say something as we're walking along is more than welcome to say whatever they want to say. Once it's, remember there's children here, so it has to be sort of, not too many expletives, okay? But enjoy yourselves, and it's about the people finding their feet and finding their voice. And as an Irish citizen, I'm asking for, I don't want any crumbs anymore. I want a nice slice of the cake, not too big, but not too small. And I think that's what we all should be given. No more crumbs is what we want. And if anybody can make a chant out of that, please do. Right, enjoy yourselves.
They say come back, we say fight back. They say come back, we say fight back. They say come back, we say fight back. They say come back, we say our streets, our streets. And in your ivory tower. This is called people power. And in your ivory tower. This is called people power. And in your ivory tower. This is called people power. And in your ivory tower.
This is called people power.
Jail, jail, jail them all!
Labour, Blue Show, Fianna Fáil!
Jail, jail, jail them all!
Irish water will